Hey high levelers, quick video for you today. If you are using WordPress with HighLevel and you've needed to get upgraded disk storage, I'm going to show you exactly how you can add on disk storage space to your WordPress account. So on your HighLevel account on the agency view, when you go to reselling and then you scroll down to WordPress, you can then click manage here, and then you'll be able to see all the different sub-accounts that you have WordPress installed on from here, and you can see their storage usage here. So this one is 0.42 gigabytes, this one's 0.34, and in order to add more usage, which just allows them to have more visitors and have more content and more plugins and everything within their WordPress account, you can go to add-on, and then you can click enable add-on under disk space add-on. Now by default, the WordPress hosting plan includes 24 gigabytes of disk space. Now you can increase this quantity right here to add on multiple chunks. Chunks are $12 a month each. And in order to enable this, just click enable add-on and then click I wish to enable the selected disk space add-on, which is for all of your sub accounts agency wide. Now this is really helpful for agencies because instead of having to add on a plan, you can simply increase your disk space with this add-on at the agency level, and then all of your sites have enough space to continue growing. So if you sell WordPress consistently and use it a lot within your agency, this will be really helpful for you. All you have to do is click continue, add your disk space add-on, and you'll be able to see how much space you have left in this storage screen right here, again under reselling and then inside the add-on screen. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to leave a comment on this video or refer to the help doc. As always, my name is Andrew and thank you very much for watching.